Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you could create your own shutdown icon on a Windows desktop. So my operating system is Windows 11 Professional. I'll show you how you can create your own shutdown menu. So I wrote all the script for this, and this menu allows me to shut down my computer with a timer. So I could shut it down in, let's say, in zero. For zero, I could set the number of minutes. For one, I could set the number of hours. I could reset the computer. I could cancel the shutdown if I wanted. 4 exit is exit, just like that. So I want to shut down the computer in, let's say, 15 minutes. Or 0, 15 minutes, 15. And it shows right here, you're about to sign out of Windows in 15 minutes. And I could cancel this if I want by pressing 3. And I canceled it. I could also set the number of hours, so press 1. I want to shut down the computer in, let's say, 5 hours. For hours, you can't use decimals. You can only use integer numbers. So if it's 5 hours, it's 5 hours. If it's 6, it's 6. It can't be 6.5. So 6 hours I want to shut down. So you'll be signing out in 360 minutes. That's 6 hours. So cancel that. 3, 4, exit. But I want to add something else here. I want to also put shutdown now, so I could just shut down my operating system like right away. So I added a few more lines. I wanted to make it a little bit more refined, so I can also shut down in a number of seconds. Shut down now. So I'm just going to change this to 6 now. And you could manipulate the code here. I wrote all this, so you could change it if you want, like I am doing. So set \A is arithmetic function. So this enables me to perform an arithmetic function. So I'm going to put that secs here, seconds. I don't have to put any kind of multiplication or anything because simply because it's just seconds. Okay. So after it finishes, it goes back to start here, and it clears the screen, displays the time and the date, and allows me to go back to this menu. I put here shutdown now. Okay. I'll give it 15 seconds so I could test it out. Well, so the computer doesn't shut down right away, so it would shut down this video recorder. That would not be good. Goes back to start again. Okay. 4. Change the numbers around. 6. So the way this works is I'm using an if statement. So if I enter a number here, then I could go to a selection here, and then I put part in relation to the number. If I put 0, then it goes here. If I put 1, it goes there. If I put 6 here, then it goes here. It shuts down the thing. And then it compares it to this, up to 6, 0 to 6. And if I make a selection, it goes here. If it's greater than 6, then it will send me to start. And if anything else I put, that goes to start and it restarts it. That's how it works. Let's see if this works. Start. Save. Let me try this now and see if it works in seconds. That's the one that I added to. Oh, I made a mistake here. Okay. Set seconds. Okay. Let's see if that works. It says you will shut down in less than a minute. Okay, that's 30 seconds. So if I want to cancel that, it's 5. So canceled it. I'm going to put shutdown now and see if this works. Oh, now I want to cancel this before it shuts down. Okay, so that works also. A reset does work also. So do that. And you could have this menu if you want. I'll leave it in the video descriptions below. You can have it if you want to create your own. You can. Go here to edit. Copy all that. Open another notepad. Save as. Here. Put all files. I'm going to put shutdown.bat. You could name it whatever you like. I'm going to put shutdown menu 1. .bat and save it there. And now I'll show you how to put it on the menu also if you want. Here it is. Go here, go to edit. Put it on the desktop. Go to properties. First, I have to put it on the desktop first. Try that again. Send to desktop. So it's here. properties, go to change icon. You could select whatever icon you want. I think the best one for this is the power icon. Apply there. Let's see if this works. Shut down in number of minutes. Shut down. 25 minutes. I could shut down 25 minutes. 5 cancel. 6 exit. Okay, that's so it does work. So you could have this code, and that's pretty much it. I hope you have a nice holiday, or Merry Christmas, and thanks for